Every contractor knows this feeling. The callback. You did the job right, got paid, and now you're redoing it for free. It kills your time, your profit, and your weekends. But what if the same system that ends callbacks could also open a new profitable market that's growing while everyone else is fighting for scraps? Let's be honest, this industry has gotten brutal. You're not just competing with companies. You're competing with a guy and his dog in a truck, undercutting you by $200. Material prices climb, margins shrink, and when something fails, you eat the cost. Callbacks don't just cost material, they cost your reputation, your weekends, your sanity. It's not that you can't do the work, it's that the game has changed. Traditional coatings, stucco, tile, epoxies, and overlays, they're slow, messy, smelly, and easy for amateurs to copy. When everyone looks the same, you have to compete on price. And that's how good contractors go broke doing great work. But there's a way out, a way to step above the chaos, eliminate callbacks, and add a finish that designers, remodelers, and homeowners actually asked for. Semco's Corsa Microcement system lets you resurface tile, plaster, concrete, or drywall without tear out. Fast, clean, durable, and profitable. It's not paint. It's not another coating. It's a complete resurfacing method built to eliminate callbacks by design and position you inside a market growing over 20% a year. With Semco, you're not competing with the guy in a truck. You're competing for modern design projects where reliability and finish quality command premium prices. Follow the process, get the result. The callback-free profit system. Semco isn't new, it's proven. For over 25 years, our resurfacing systems have been built right here in the USA and trusted on world-class projects, from the Bellagio fountains to the Paris casino pool decks, Hard Rock resorts, and more. The same Microcement technology, trusted in luxury hotels and commercial landmarks, is now built for contractors, with training and support ready to help you profit fast. Built in the USA, proven worldwide, the original American Microcement system. Contractors across the country are already using it. First-time users earning $2,000 to $4,000 profit on their first job, small crews cutting rework to zero, and remodelers winning designer clients with seamless, modern finishes. You don't need new equipment, just a proven process. And we back that process with 2 layers of protection. First, our no callback guarantee. Follow the steps, and if your verified install ever needs a callback due to product or process failure, we'll cover the materials it takes to make it right, fast. Second, our 30% confidence credit. If your first job doesn't go perfectly because you're still learning, we'll credit 30% of your materials so you can redo it right. No stress, no loss. Follow the process, and if something doesn't go as planned, we'll help you make it right, fast. That's why we call it the callback-free profit system. We built 3 ways for you to win, depending on where you are right now. Option 1, the Profit Starter Kit, $500. Learn the system, apply it once, build confidence fast. You'll get starter materials, a job estimator, a planner, and a quick start support call, plus a practice success credit if you upgrade within 60 days. Option 2, the First Job Win System, $2,994. Ready to profit on your first real job? You'll get a full job material loadout, a digital planner, a homeowner pitch deck, and our no callback first job guarantee. If a callback happens, we supply what you need to fix it fast. Option 3, the Pro Kit, $4,997. For contractors ready to scale, you'll get multi-job materials, coaching, branded marketing assets, and our 3-job profit and callback guarantee. We'll help you solve any verified issue so you can keep growing without rework holding you back. Microcement is exploding in homes, restaurants, and commercial spaces. Designers love it because it's seamless, durable, and beautiful. Contractors love it because it's fast, profitable, and proven. While others fight for low bids, Semco contractors win with innovation, not discounts. Imagine adding $2,000 to $4,000 profit on every small project, stacking wins week after week with less mess, less downtime, and 0 callbacks. Every week you wait is another week spent fixing callbacks or bidding low just to stay busy. The contractors who switch early don't just get ahead, they stay ahead, because once a designer or homeowner sees this finish, they love it and they tell their friends. Here's how to start. Test it, grab the starter kit. Profit on your first job, choose the First Job Win System. Build a scalable, callback-free business, step up to the Pro Kit. Every package carries the same promise. Follow the process. Get it right the first time, or we'll cover what it takes to make it right. Every contractor watching this will get another callback this month. The only question is whether it costs you or pays you. Choose your package below and make your next job the one that moves you forward. Semco, the callback-free profit system. Stop callbacks, start profits, choose your package. Start winning today.